Hello, I'm Nathan Kramer, the Global Product Marketing Manager for John Deere Grain Harvesting. I'm excited to be with you today to talk about our all-new 18-row, 30-inch corn head that we have compatible with our X9 series. This is a great new option for our growers that are looking to maximize the capacity of the X9 while maybe going about things a little bit slower ground speed. This 18-row comes in a folding configuration, allowing our operators to efficiently go from field to field while getting the most grain harvested in the day. This is all built upon our CRCF series that we launched in model year 21, and all the value of the RowMax capabilities, technology, durability that our customers have grown to appreciate. Again, our all-new CF18. This comes in a 30-inch configuration, allowing our customers to get even more capacity out of our X9 series. For more information, go to your local John Deere dealer or visit us at johndeere.com.